Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with Teardown Systems, and today I'm very excited to announce to you guys our training tools side of the website. Now, the training tools page is going to be a page where you, the customer, can download free content, free downloadable models, and that we're going to provide to you as a way of saying thank you for the 3 years of Teardown being in business and for what kicked our company off, which is our dry-fi kits. Our dry-fi kits kicked us off 3 years ago. They sold so well that it allowed us to get a sewing machine, which then allowed us to open our nylon division, and then that took off. So this is our way of giving back to you guys. That way you guys can encourage your friends to train more, and that way you guys get a little something from us. With the training tool page, you'll be able to find it on our website. And once you click on it and you click onto all the products that we're going to have there, we're launching with 16 different 3D printing models that you're going to be able to use on a multitude of things, as well as every month, if you're signed up for our email list, we'll be announcing the next upcoming model every month where you can get different targets, different dummy knives, bunch of different things. But you'll see that coming down the road. We're going to be working with a few other companies to provide some pretty cool stuff. But let's talk over what is going to be on the training tools page. So on the training tools page, you're going to see a few things, including our dry-fi kits. So you'll see our dry-fi kits. Again, we only ever did these for Glock mags. We were going to do them for SIG, but then everybody knows exactly what happened. So we have them for the G17, G19, and we have extended and non-extended versions. So those are going to be going up, as well as our targets. So our targets were very popular. They're super nice to be able to stick them up in your house. They're a lot more durable than cardboard, and you can get them in a multitude of different sizes. And something that we never launched because we were going to launch them last year, and we decided this is what we're going to do 2 years ago. So we decided we're going to give this all for free. So now our target stands are also going to be up there. You'll be able to basically set these up. We know a lot of USPSA guys that were running these when they had to travel for hotels and then want to stick them up on their walls because obviously for normal reasons you wouldn't want to do that to something you don't own. So we developed these target stands so you can travel, carry those with you if you want. But something we never ever provided on our website was the extra large and XXL model of target. So you're going to have that, as well as you're going to be able to make your own hostage targets. You just basically double side adhesive tape connect both of these targets, which is super cool. And then a whole nother thing that we've been working on forever, and I'll be showing you guys our first prototype from a while ago, but our dry-fi mags for 308, AK, bolt guns, everything. The entire design around this, and we'll show you here in a second, is to basically have something that you can show clear, as well as just indicate that it's your gun doesn't have any ammo in it or anything like that. It's very good for CQB. It's very good for FTXs. Being part of a local group here that trains, especially when we're not doing any type of live fire, it's super awesome that we can clearly indicate to everybody that our mag is safe and that our chamber is clear. Now, we know there's already a few out there. Can't help what the market is already doing, especially when we've been working on this stuff for over 2 years now. But we can show something that's a little bit different, so that's cool, and that's our dovetail adapter here. So our idea was we wanted to make something that was going to lower the print times of this instead of having to do that. So all our mags, our dry-fi mags here, have these slots in them, and this allows you to slide in this dovetail adapter that allows you to basically hold your bolt back and also show that it's clear. And we kind of did a little few things here. We have a little tail on here that actually manually presses up against your bolt release so that there's no accidental way that you can shove the bolt release and then the bolt goes and shoves a bunch of plastic into your barrel. So we added that as a little safety feature, but what's cool is, say if you're, I guess, dry firing at home or whatever, and you have a kid and you want to always make sure that you can visually tell that there's no mag in it. This is an awesome way to do that. And without this, you can still cycle the action, so you can be pressing the trigger and stuff like that. So what's cool is this dovetail adapter is designed to be able to be swappable between all of our mags here, even our 308 up here, as you can see, and our AIC mags here. So what's really cool about that is it lowers print time. It also means that you can print one of these and it'll work with all three of those mags we said. Now we do have sub-gun mags coming, so like MP5, Scorpion, all those. Basically trying to widen that, give you guys something, give everybody something back, basically. We want to be able to provide to you guys and just say thank you. The AK one is the only one that does not have one of these, and that's because of the function of the bolt. It gets a lot more complicated in the geometry and how it functions, as well as in how they seat into the AK. So this is the only one that does not work with our dovetail adapter, but it does look cool and it works. All of them have been designed to kind of have a cool 20-rounder look, especially since someone who shall not be named will not give us the 20-round, you know what. So, yeah, so super cool. We are launching all of these. Now, as you can see, there's some things that you're not seeing here from our original dry-fi kits, which are our dry-fi rounds. The reason we're going away from that is in about a month here, you will be seeing our first release of the downloadable content coming through the email, so you can see what we're changing with that, how we're providing it. Now, I know a lot of people with our dry-fi kits wanted weighted mags. You are now going to be able to weight your mags. So that's extremely cool. So if guys want to weight them and whatnot, it's going to be very easy to do. You'll be able to print these and drill them out and stuff like that. So we are providing another model that's a dedicated screw down version, but that's all for later. With that being said, though, we're really excited about this. We are going to offer printing services for all these. So if you don't have a 3D printer at home, but you've always wanted one of these, we actually are breaking up our dry-fi kit and breaking it up, everything up into individual models. That way you can go on our site and choose what you want. We'll print it out for you. We'll send it out to you. And we're doing everything at cost. So whatever it costs us to make these, we do it without making anything in return on that. That's kind of our way to say thank you. It allows us to keep doing this, and you can get it for free. Now, there is a caveat to that. The free download does not mean that you can download it and then start selling it. We don't want it to be this thing where people are trying to profit off this. So please, as a community, we really ask that you guys try to keep this. If you're going to be printing it, print it for your friends. Try to encourage them to train, do stuff, go to FTXs, and do all that stuff. But please do not try to get off of this. These are copyrighted and a bunch of other legal things. So we've been designing and working on all this stuff. Allow this to be something that's free that you can give back to your community. We really want to encourage that. And yeah, so that's our training tools page. We're really excited to bring it to you guys. With that being said, train hard and serve others.